everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is the introductory video for the new series, that is topological sorting. So in this video series we'll be discussing about a very important graph concept, that is topological sorting, and a lot of problems are solved using this concept. This concept is very crucial while solving problems of graph, in which the nodes of the graph has to be processed in a certain order. Okay, so this is going to be the introductory series where I will be listing out all the topics which I'll be discussing in the upcoming videos. So in the very first video I'll be discussing about the topological sorting algorithm and its application, then its implementations, depth first search implementation and Kahn's algorithm implementation. Then I'll be discussing a few problems which I have selected from various online judges, and I found these problems to be really important, and these patterns which are there in these problems occurs repeatedly during contests as well as during interviews. Okay, so this video is going to be in this video we'll be basically going through every step of the process. We'll be learning, well, starting from the designing of the topological sorting, the algorithm, its applications, its implementation details, as well as how to identify problems which involves the concept of topological sorting. So at the end of the series you would be able to identify, you would be able to find find whether a problem can be solved using topological sorting or not, because the problems has certain patterns, certain observations, which basically gives us the conclusion that yes, this problem can be solved using topological sorting. Now, to figure out those patterns, we have to go through a process. We have to solve a lot of random problems, and after a certain period of time we get the capability of identifying problems with the certain patterns. And the purpose of this video series is basically to present that process of identifying those patterns in a very concise manner, so that in a limited number of problems, like I have covered a very few problems, you would be able to grasp the concept completely, such that whenever a new problem which involves the application of this topological sorting appears during an interview or a contest, you people are able to identify that. Okay, so I've tried to cover all of the patterns, the observations in a few problems, and I will be discussing these problems, those observations, and also I will be implementing the solutions of these problems in C++ language as well as in Java and in Python. Okay, so that all of the people with specific language preferences may benefit from this series. So that's all for this video. I hope to see you all in my very first video of topological sorting. Thank you.